be tested for sure. The day that I made
100%.
that call to quit my corporate job and go all in on high ticket sales, my next 7 calls were no-shows.
Exactly.
And I joined one of the weekly live sessions and I said that, and I was like, I think I'm being tested right now. And
100%. I
this is
remember the
my
conversation.
moment to, do I retreat back to the scarcity mindset, the fear, um,
Yeah.
the way that I used to be, or do I take this moment and use it as fuel to get past it? And the reason I was able to get past it and not retreat was because I felt like I had the support of you, Jacob, all the other closers in the mastermind, and I was a part of something bigger than myself that I knew I was going to be okay. And right after that 7 no-shows, that's when I started having and ultimately had my best month ever.
There you go. You're always going to be tested when you're trying to expand, trying to grow, trying to self actualize, because you are creating a new character, you're creating a new identity. And as you pull away from the old identity, there's going to be a little period in the middle, could be a day, could be a few hours, where you kind of are no identity. You're not the old version of you, but you also haven't fully locked in on the new version. You are seriously shooting yourself in the foot if during that period you are alone. You don't have mentorship, you don't have a community, you don't have an environment that just can help you get through that. So, all right, Sam, I don't have any more questions. I'll ask you again. Is there anything else that you would like to share, knowing that this will obviously go on YouTube? There's a bunch of other setters, high ticket closers, full-time high ticket closers, part-time high ticket closers that may watch this. And as I've seen now in the last few days, there's been a number of new members that have joined the mastermind from watching these interviews because they actually felt that whoever was talking, which in this case is you, not me, they were able to see inside you the next version of themselves. Oh, if I actually step up, I can be the next person like Sam that's going to the next level financially. So is there anything else that you would like to share specifically with those people?
Yeah, it's pretty much in line with that post I made, which is the main thing is not the money I made, but what I said was everything that you want is on the other side of fear. I used to be afraid to spend $3,000 a month US, which is $4,300 Canadian a month on a mentorship. Now I'm not. I used to be afraid to believe in myself, trust my instinct, go all in on high ticket sales, leave the safety, security of a corporate world. Now I'm not. I used to be afraid to spend money on myself and others. Now I'm not. My life has completely changed. Yes, I put in the work, but without the support and belief that you guys instill in us as well, you and I would not have been able to do it. So if there is even an ounce of fear that is getting in your way right now to join and be able to self-actualize to the point where your life looks completely different, don't let that get in the way because you're just wasting time. It's costing you money and you're just getting in your own way. So get out of it.
How many deals have you already lost this week that you could have closed but didn't because you were out of state? I'm not a fan of sales hacks, but if there was one thing you could do before your next sales call to raise your closing percentage, it's using my patented pre-call checklist. Imagine taking just 60 seconds to read 5 to 7 personalized bullet points on a piece of paper, and as unbelievable as it may sound, puts you into the optimal state to access your highest sales skills on every call. That's the pre-call checklist. I'm going to show you how to create your own. All you need is a piece of paper and to go through the training that I'm going to give you. Thousands of salespeople have used this framework to close more deals, and you can have your own for free. No strings attached in a matter of minutes. Click the link below this video, enter your email, and grab it right now.